Hi, Kenneth. I'm Susan, and I'm here up in Sonoma, California. I thought I'd just go ahead and make you a little video to show you how we can help you. So I'm going to share my screen here, and you'll see I'm at your website. And I'm going to go ahead and take your URL, and I'm going to put you in our little SEO scanner tool here. And I just want to show you this because I want to show you how important your heading tags are. So your heading tags are basically what tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then it knows what to rank you for. And I just want to quickly show you that one of the most important tags is the H1 header tag, and you actually don't have a H1 header tag, and you also don't have any meta description, and your title tag is just welcome to your company name. So I just want to show you why this is so important. So basically, I'm going to your website again, and your H1 tag would usually be up here, but I'm going to take one of your competitors that I did a little search for, Temecula Pool Care, and I went ahead and went to, where was he? It was, let's see, Pool Care, and it was right here. Quartz Pool. So if I clicked on them, you'll see that their H1 tag is this right here, Temecula Pool Service and Swimming Pool Cleaning Professionals. So this is a very clear sign to Google of what your site's about. So basically it's telling Google that you have pool services and swimming pool cleaning in Temecula, and that's how it's going to index you in Google. But as you can see on your website, you don't have anything like that. So, and you have no H1 tag, even that's not visible on your page. So basically Google has no idea what your site's about. Google thinks your site is about welcome to Wetworks Pool Care. And what does that tell Google? Not a lot. It does talk about pool care, but it could be pool care anywhere in the world. It really can. It doesn't really know how to rank you. So basically I just want to show you that first of all. And then if we go back here to the let's go ahead and open another Temecula Pool Care again. I'm just going to show you these blue lines here. This is all the metadata. And again, you didn't have any metadata on yours. So this is, again, important. These are just little things I wanted to show you, and you can fix these on your website, or you can have a total new website, which usually when I do SEO clients, we do SEO for a month or two, and then once you get clients from my services, then you're not really paying me anymore. You're just paying me with money that you're getting from new clients. And then a lot of times people end up wanting to do a site rebuild. But in your case, your website is quite dated. It has great information, and you look like a great guy. I saw you had great reviews. But I do recommend doing this website rebuild now, just because, you want to put your best foot forward with a nice looking site if you're just going to compete with the top spots. So I'll definitely send you over two options. I would do, one option would be just the website rebuilds, and then the other option would be a website rebuild with SEO. And obviously I think you should do the website rebuild with SEO, and not just because I want you to do SEO with me, but because if you can have the most beautiful website in the world, but if nobody's looking at it, then it's really going to be worthless. And we have monthly plans, and you can cancel at any time. And basically, like I said, our clients usually are not really paying us after the first couple of months, because you're going to get a lot more clients and then use that money to pay us with. But if you're interested, I'm going to go ahead and send over the quotes for you. But I just wanted to show you that. And then also wanted to show you, if you ever want to see where you're ranking, you can just go to I wouldn't just start Googling yourself, because Google remembers what you're Googling, and then they're going to slowly move up your rank. So always go to a private browser, and if you're on Chrome, there's little three dots on the top of your screen. Just open the private browser, and then you can go to a third-party tracking tool. We actually use SERPtrack, and you can see I put in your URL here. And then I just picked a couple of keywords from looking at your website, like Temecula Pool Care, Temecula Pool Service, Temecula Pool Cleaning, and basically you can see you're only ranking 56, which again was on page 6, and as you know, no one's going to scroll all the way to page 6 for pool service. I mean, someone's looking for pool service, they're going to look on the first page. Very rarely will they go to the second page, but really they're going to look at the first 3 or 4 companies on the first page. And obviously I just want to show you, I put in Wet Works Pool Care and you're ranking number 1 for that. And again, of course you're ranking number 1 for that because it's your company name. But again, who is going to search for Wet Works Pool Care? Nobody, because they don't know that name. They don't know your company name. They're just going to go ahead and search for their whatever city they're in, and then they're going to search for pool care. And I know you do other cities. We always focus on one city first with like 3 to 5 core keywords, because that's the best way to really get your website ranking fast. And a lot of SEO companies, they try to rank you for like 10 words at a time, and then that's why it takes so long. And we have other strategies as well, but I would say that that's one of our key strategies is to just focus on your top keywords, and then from there we can of course add more cities. But that is what I would recommend for you. So I will go ahead and send you that, and it's nice to meet you, and hope you have a great evening. Take care. Bye-bye.